Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video it's gonna be a very quick and short video tutorial about how you can move and delete items from your Amazon wish list using your iPhone or your mobile phone. Let's go to it. A few months ago I made a video about how you can organize your Amazon wish list on Amazon, right? But I showed you how you can do this from your computer. So today's video is focused on your phone. So let's go to your Amazon application. I suggest that you have it installed, and then you go to the burger button right here, and then you tap on the lists button, and then you will see all your Amazon wish lists. Every birthday of my kids, I update their wish list, and also every Christmas. I like to update and remove the items that they have already or they don't like anymore. So I go to the Amazon wish list, for example, this one, baby Eli, and I will add or remove the items that I don't think that he will be using. Like for example, this one, the Lego Duplo, he has a similar one already. So I'm gonna tap on the three dots right here. It will give you 4 options. It says compare with similar items, add comment, move, or delete. So what I'm gonna do is just delete this one from the wish list, and then this one is not available anymore, so I'm gonna remove this one, delete. This one is not available, I'm gonna delete it. So for example, what if I want to move this one from wish list? I'm gonna click on move, and then I'm gonna put it on Becky and Eli Christmas wish list. I'm gonna select that one, and it's done. As you can see, it says has been moved to the list Becky and Eli, and it has a check mark. And now I'm gonna just get rid of the other ones that are not available anymore here, and I'm just removing them. I guess that's it. That's the update that I have for this Amazon wish list. And that's how you can organize your Amazon wish list, either move items or delete them. And as you noticed, also you can do some other things like prioritize or add the quantity of the items that you would like to get. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.